Hi guys, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy, and as I mentioned to you, my shopping centre is having a bit of a refurb. Look, there's lots of building going on all the way along there and up here. We've got cinema coming and restaurants. That's my car. We've got lots and lots of shops as well, but the one I'm looking forward to the most is Nando's. So just over there, that brick building is Wilkinsons, and that's where I'm heading now. I've done Poundstretcher and Poundland, so we're heading over to Wilkinsons, and I'll show you the little bit of yarn that they do in there. I'll pause the video because I'm getting some really weird looks from people. Never mind, I'm used to that. So I'll pause the video and I'll see you on the inside. Silly me, I should have realised they changed their name and it's now called Wilko. Same shop, different name. So, well, I'll meet you on the end. Phew, here we are. That was a bit of a mission. We have the craft section. They've got a variety of bits and bobs. Make yourself a pinata. So, here we are, and I'm a bit relieved because when I first got in, I went to where they normally keep the yarn and it had gone. And I thought, oh no, they've not stopped selling it, but they haven't. They just moved it upstairs. So that was a trek. Now, I've bought this before and I really like this yarn. I'd say it's like about an Aran weight. And it's ombre, I really like that. There's only two, so we will grab those because they're £2 per ball. Also, this yarn, I like this yarn. I've used this before, but I've used this colour. I'm making that bag that originally was a bag a day pattern, but it's kind of got adapted along the way, and so I kind of like this colour for a bag. Still a little way from finishing that. That's one of those whips that never seem to get done. Must do it though, because I've made the lining and everything. And then there's this, which I really like. I've got quite a lot of this, and it's only £2 for this cake, so we'll grab maybe a couple of those. And they have it now in this really deep purple colour, which I actually quite like. They've always had it in the blues, and that's really nice. I've got enough blue. And they're a bit sparse on the shelves, as you can see, but they've got the kind of obligatory pink and blue stuff. And I've got some of the bog standard Aran for making cable jumpers and cardigans, and they do it in this quite nice fleck. I've got white, that's not particularly soft, and they've got a fleck, but I don't like ones that have got the silver lurex in them. Not really keen on those, but I do like these. I must admit, get the last one, why not? I don't think I'll bother with any of the other colours, although this one is nice. I have a project that's screaming out for this. Maybe I'll get a couple of those. So basically they do that, and they have a very small section for knitting needles, hoops and hooks, but nothing major, nothing interesting there. So looking back, that's the section. But in Wilkinson they have quite another sort of string to their bow. They do everything for the kitchen, for the home, crafting. We've got lots of crafting stuff. So that's it really. There's not very much to show you in here. So thank you very much for watching. Oh, hang on, they've got some kits. I don't think they're crochet kits though. They're just crafting kits. Lots and lots of craft stuff and stationery. Well, that's all there is for Wilko. Thank you so much for watching, and we will do a giveaway fairly soon with all of my yarn hauls that I've accumulated today from Poundland, Poundstretcher and now Wilko. I would go into Sainsbury's, but I'm not really sure that this Sainsbury's does yarn here, and I didn't bring the swatch that I needed to show me what colour it was I needed, so I have to do it another day. Well, thanks for joining me on my shopping trip today, and bye for now.